my name is Seran, this is Flora. Flora, what are you doing? This is a clue. Okay. Searching? No. Looking? No, I'm confused. I'm not sure. Keep findings. Oh, it's finding. Oh, I'm not sure I would have got that, Flora. Finding a fly. Yeah. Well, thanks for telling me, because I don't know. I don't know if I would have got that one. So finding a fly. Oh, is the sound? It is. And you? What do you mean when you say and me? The clue. Oh, Flora. Flamingo. I think I know what it is. So finding a fly, Flora, flamingo. Do you know what the sound is? Yes, that's right. I think the sound is. Am I right? So the sound is. Oh, this is going to be fun. Oh, there's another sound. Okay, so let's go and have a look around to see if we can find any objects beginning with the sound, and we'll have a little think to see if we can think of lots of words beginning with the sound. We've already thought of some already, haven't we? Have fun. Remember to take an adult with you when you're exploring, and we'll see you in a bit. Hi guys, how did you get on? So we thought of lots of sounds, didn't we? So Flora was thinking of lots of words for herself. She said, do you remember you said Flora is fabulous and fantastic? You're a bit of a show off, aren't you? Oh, you do make me laugh. And we went outside and we were admiring the flowers. And then we came inside and we found some flax seeds. So there were lots of words beginning with f. And then we had a look on our globe and we found the country France, and we thought of the number 4. It's quite a simple one there. And then we were thinking, we were really talking about flamingos, weren't we, really? That was the biggest part of our conversation, because you were telling me so many facts, there we go, facts about flamingos. And Flora's telling me, yeah, I will tell them. Flora's telling me that when Flora was a baby, she wasn't actually pink. What colour were you? Yeah, Flora was white, and then you turned, like, you had a grey tone as well. And then how old were you when you turned pink then? You about 3 or 4. Wow, that's really interesting. That is an interesting fact. Okay, so let's have a look to see what the sound f looks like. The sound is f. The letter name is F. This is a capital F. This is a small f. Okay, so now it's time to sing our song. And what word should we use? Oh, a different one. So Flora has decided to sing with the word fish in. Okay, let's do this. Fish, fish, fish. Well, as always, it was fun, fabulous and fantastic. I'll see you again soon. Bye.